Hold this.
Not.
Hold this. Record that outside.
Dude, that is awesome.
Look at that. That one's all spiky.
I was like, where the hell is that
Look at
coming
that. You recording that, Kerrigan?
Yeah. I want that next spiky.
No, leave it alone.
Have a
I
spiky
can play
one.
baseball with these things, ready?
Well, the natural roof of the house got beat up pretty good. Front did.
It's right up ahead us. It's right up ahead us. It's right up ahead us. Sweet,
Let me see
dude.
it.
Sweet.
What? Mom, come out there, Neil said. I would take this out there, but you know how many people got shocked with video cameras? Should I?
What? Did he come with you? Baby, y'all stay in here.
What is it? Back windshield?
I think it's a really, really big one. Dude, I want to look at the back.
What? Oh, hell no, I gotta get this. Oh my god.
Look at all this.
Holy shit. Did I wonder how big they were. Check it. Check it inside. God dang. I don't know, I think I'd say mine is in the best condition. Mine's in the best condition right now. Oh, why is the what? I was fixing to say, are you kidding me? I can't believe it went through that whole entire thing. I mean, that is just straight through. Straight down to the freaking, oh, that is ridiculous. Okay, camera up.